I'm Mel from Uppbeat, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this derivative design in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's go! Alright, first of all, let's start off with creating the text. Let's deal with it. Change the font to Mama Regular. This is one of the quirky fun font that we like to use. Deal with it, centralize the text. Line to the middle. Okay, now we copy and duplicate it at the front, Command F, and then we make it smaller. We shift the bigger one to the front. Select both, go to Object, Blend, Make. And then you go to Blend Options, increase the steps. Let's change it to maybe 50. Okay, so now we Command F, paste what we copied just now and change the color so you'll directly be in front of this. And now we change the color of it so that you can see the text. So the black at the back that we blended with the blend tool will be like the shadow of this text. Then now let's create a gradient shape at the back of it. So Eclipse tool to create this oval shape. Bring it to the back, go to Object. Same thing, create gradient mesh. I've talked about this many times in the previous video. You can check out the previous video to learn how to create a gradient mesh. And let's lock this derivative layer so that we can click the points in the gradient mesh, change the colors. So I've got some questions on Pinterest about how do we create this color on the gradient mesh that looks like a reflection. It's actually not any technique. You just need to leave out some of the color points to be white, and then the ends you just have to blend it with the background color so that it looks like a 3D shape. So it's actually depending on what colors you input into the points that makes it look 3D. Yeah, so that's up to you. So I would suggest some of the points we blend in the same color as the background so that it looks like a faded design. So if you want more gradient mesh tool and one more points, you can click the gradient mesh tool to input the points to add more colors. So that's another way to increase your gradient mesh colors. So yeah, just make sure some of it is white and then some of it that's actually the background color. So you see I changed the white up to different color. It looks less of a 3D design. And because of some of the points has the background color, which is the yellow, it looks like a blended 3D gradient design. So yeah, this is how you create the design. Very simple. Same tools that I've talked about before, gradient mesh. Same tools that I've talked about before, which is the blended tool. Just that now it's at the back of the text. So let me know what you think about the design in the comments below. Okay, thank you all for watching. Thank you so much, and do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website and drop us a DM or email if you need any help with creative services. Also, if our channel has helped you in any way and you'd like to further support our channel, you can do so by buying us a virtual coffee. The link is in the notes below. And all the funds raised will go into improving our resources for this channel as well as our creative services. And also, if you want to learn more about how to better design, do like this video, hit the like and subscribe button as well. Till next time, bye bye!